Then I realized I didn't set up dark theme. This is to record setup of the dark theme. Go to the C drive users. Click your name. Click Android Studio Projects. Click your project name. Click App. Click SRC. Click Main. Click Res. Click Values. Copy colors.xml. Go up one level. Click Values Night. Paste colors.xml. At Android App Studio, you should be able to see color folder with plus sign. And when you branch out, you should be able to see colors.xml. Another same file colors.xml, night. Open up night XML file and edit font colors to your likes. Or you can click the small box on the left and use the color palette. Copy the hex code and paste it.